Hey, welcome back. This is the Daily Wrap, Friday, July the 10th. Quick reminder before we start, this is for education only, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor. Do your own research. Now here is what happened today. SK Hynix made history. Delta kicked off earnings season. And we'll look into how the portfolio is faring. Let's get into it. Now the scorecard, the S&P 500 closed at 7,575, up 0.42% today. The Nasdaq Composite gained 0.29%. The Dow added 150 points, up 0.29%. Small caps lagged today, down 0.49%. 3 greens and 1 red. Story 1, SK Hynix made history today. It debuted on the Nasdaq. Shares opened at $170. That's a 14% pop from the IPO price. It raised $26.5 billion, the largest ever US listing by a foreign company. Micron slipped a bit on the news. SK Hynix's CEO stayed bullish. He sees chip shortages lasting past 2030. Story 2, Delta kicked off earnings season and it beat expectations. Adjusted earnings came in at $1.56 a share. Wall Street expected $1.48. Revenue beat to $17.7 billion. Delta reaffirmed its full-year guidance even with record fuel costs. Bookings are looking strong. Story 3, Meta had a huge day, up 6.2%. That caps a 15% gain this week. It was the top Magnificent 7 stock today. Tech insiders are buying their own stock, a record amount over 6 months. That's a vote of confidence, even with worries about AI spending. Looking ahead, next Tuesday is the big banks report. JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citi, and Goldman Sachs too. Wednesday brings ASML, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock, and Johnson & Johnson too. Thursday, Netflix, TSMC, and United Health. Watch how Micron responds. SK Hynix just took some of its shine. Let's look into our portfolio. Avgo, the total gain is 9.61%, Nvidia 5.46%, and Zeta 9.59%. So the total average increase is 8.22%. So we still have $700 for the remaining stock picks. This is for education and entertainment only, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Please do your own research. Bye for now.